Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Monday, and we're in Zone 4. We have a 3-layer cake. The first layer is our 5 routines. Our morning routine for ourselves and our children, our laundry, our paper, our after dinner, and our before bed. 5 routines all rolled into one. That's called the routines. If you're a stay-at-home fly baby, you're going to be doing part of these in the morning and your after dinner and before bed routines in the afternoon and evening. If you're a payroll fly baby, you're just going to do your morning routines in the morning. When you get home in the afternoon or early evening, you're going to do your laundry, your paper, your after dinner, and your before bed routines. Okay? These are things that happen almost every day, so it shouldn't be too hard for you. Then our second layer is going to be our zone. We're in Zone 4, the master bedroom, master bathroom, master closet. So hopefully you have planned this out because you knew we were in Zone 3 last week, so the next zone is Zone 4, right? So if you planned it out, you've picked out 4 things to do in that area. If you haven't picked out 4 things to do and your visible clutter is gone, then pick out 4 things to do. It could be to declutter something that's not visible, like your dresser drawers or the closet or the linen closet, whatever is in these areas. Okay, so if there is clutter, you know you're going to declutter for 15 minutes. You're going to stay in one place. You're going to put away, throw away, give away in 3 separate containers, and then at the end you're going to complete the process by putting everything away that needs to be put away, giving everything away that you don't want to keep anymore, or you've made the decision not to keep anymore and it's still good, or throwing things away. Take care of all 3 of those things. Don't let those sit in your house. I know you think, oh well, I can do it anyway. It'll make a mess for you and you won't do as well. So take the giveaways and put them in the back of the car. Take the throwaways and put them in the garbage. Clear as much of that stuff out as you can. It makes you breathe better, okay? I promise. It takes the pressure off. All right, and then the third thing we're going to do is our Monday weekly home blessing hour. So we're going to get the other things done and then do our weekly home blessing hour. That is strip the bed and wash the sheets, put them back on. That is sweep or dust the floors that need it. That is mop the floors that need it, like the kitchen and the bathrooms, not the living room, not the dining room. We're not mopping right now, we're just blessing. So you're just going to sweep or dust, mop hard surfaces, vacuum soft surfaces, carpets. So 10 minutes for that project total for sweeping, dusting the floors, and or vacuuming. Total 10 minutes. You're not allowed to go over. Don't break the rule. And then you've got, well, mopping is separate, so that's 10 minutes. Mopping, like mopping the kitchen and the bathrooms. Total 10 minutes, that's your limit. And then we're dusting, we're cleaning the glass, we're emptying the garbage cans. That's it. That's it. You can do it really quick. I just did it at my sister's house actually before I left, so she would have a tidy home when she came in. So you know I stayed at my sister's cabin in the mountain. We left Sunday morning and went ahead and did the weekly home blessing hour for her so that when she comes in it's nice and shiny and clean. Okay, now I'm at my home and it's Monday and I have done my routine. Now I haven't vacuumed. Mr. B will do that, but I did all the other hard surfaces. The hard surfaces of the floor were dust mopped, and I mopped the kitchen and the bathrooms. I dusted. Actually, Mr. B cleaned the glass and he's emptying the garbage and vacuuming. And I've stripped the bed and the sheets are in the washer. So there we go. I've done my routine. I just have to listen for the dryer and then put the sheets back on the bed. Okay, that's it for today. If you are working, then you're going to split that weekly home blessing up into 10-minute segments throughout the week and maybe do your sheets on Saturday, or you can delegate those 10-minute segments to your children. It's up to you. When you come home, you're going to do your routines like we talked about, the first ones, the laundry and the paper, and then you're going to do your Zone 4, the master bedroom. And then if you have elected to do the weekly home blessing hour yourself, you're going to do that as well. All that while your dinner is simmering or holding on the stove. All right, that's it for today. Don't forget to do your after dinner routine with the family and the before bed routine. Plan out tomorrow if you haven't done it already. Look and see what's going on. What are you going to have for dinner tomorrow? What are you going to dress? How are you going to dress tomorrow? what's on the plan, okay? All right, that's it for today. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.